MeghalayaPost.news
Menteri Berdepek Ketenat Kakot Kakia Bawailat Meki Shelah mentara sinthok ding ulapan benar baka sorkar kala deban pynlait ya barok ki pisang badang sahteng pending insentif jongkih nyo hajar ngut ki nongtrei ASHA hapo ka jela ngila deban pynlait lun ya ka pisa jongki nongtrei ASHA ba Shelah bat penrap ru bahadin bala pynlait ya kani ka pisa badang sa jongki nongtrei ASHA katkum ka jingtip jongu makiru kila sange no ya ka jingïakhih jongki haba kali de kinong thok khobor hadian bala pynlait ya ka pisa badang sahteng jongki nongtrei ASHA bawailat Meki Shelah layat huru badang don kato kini ki bentang ki badang sahteng jong ki nongtrei ASHA batkam dei pat kadaw na ketenat kakoi kakhya berkadai hinaki ha ka bakila sange no ya kata ka jingïakhih.
First meeting, we already had a series of meeting in the past also, but today's meeting was something special because Deputy CM requested us because he also want to know how is the preparation going on. So we just took the review that how the preparation is going. So today we met him and then we briefed him that from every aspect, from the infrastructure, accommodation and other things. So we brief him and we really want to know what are the discipline to be held in Joai, Shillong and Tura and so on and so forth. So we brief him and I think he also is quite happy with the presentation. Infrastructure is like the main like venues which is going to be held. So main infrastructure, as you know, just I think in the last week or so, I have done the inspection in and around Shillong. As you know, this in the JN's complex, this stadium, and by the side that indoor hall construction is going on, and in the new Shillong, that aquatic, the swimming pool, aquatic stadium is there, and even in last week, a few days back, I had the opportunity to visit Garo Hills, where I have visited the PA Sangma Stadium, and by the side the indoor hall construction and the other construction of the hostels for accommodation and so on. So with overall, I have seen that in terms of infrastructure, the progress is going well. Game village as such, because see, game village we made it when there is no accommodation. But as of now, we have quite a numbers of hotels and homestay available with us. So I don't think there will be a need of having this game village. Because infrastructure-wise, because it's depend on the time of different stadium venues. Because there who has been going, there are who are going to be completed by March. There are some who are going to be completed by June, and there are some. Lastly, there will be, I think, around October or November.
So we are ready to.
Yeah. We are ready, and then just to inform you that the day before, the Union Minister of Sport has called a review meeting, and our Commissioner and Secretary has gone and present in the meeting, and then virtually from here, the Sport Department along with the Chief Secretary also were present, and Union Sport Minister were quite happy with the right now with the present progress. He is quite happy. Like I already mentioned in the past, because it is a request from the ministry that they would like that other northeastern state also to be a part of this national game. But the host city right it with us, so it's depend on us to give them. So since we thought it is a request from the ministry, so definitely we'll give them the opportunity to host one event, but except for Manipur, where we have put two games, because since we all know that Manipur is the powerhouse of sport in the whole of India, and as of now, Assam has not proposed any games, because I don't know, maybe because of the election and all, so they have not proposed anything. And the good thing here of the previous day meeting was that in the past we were in the dilemma that because who will get the right to play. Because as you know that the host will get the right to play, so the other state also were like requesting that they want to, since they are also hosting in one event, so their team also want to participate. So we directly told them that it's not up to us, because we cannot lose that opportunity of participating. So the other day the Union Minister have agreed that both the state will get the opportunity to participate. See, as of now, I cannot tell you that because still we are in a very early stage of it, because there are a lot of things going on, and then it is a multi department. It's required multi-department, so it will take a little bit of time, but definitely will come up with the budget. ASHA, we already solved the issue. I think I don't know whether you have got the report or not, because they have already called off their strike, because we already resolved the issues. And with 108 we are still awaiting. We have put some consultant to do some studies which is the best possible way to come up where we can to run this 108. So we are waiting for that report. So I think for that I have not received any. The file is yet to come to me. So definitely whatever it's possible in our hands, so definitely we'll look after it.
The ASHAs you are already clear.
We already clear. There are some issue pending, not from the department, but with them. So, but they do realize that, and they have called off the strike.
No, recently.
Once again, I'll just like to reiterate myself that it is already called off. It's already clear. This is clear also after the meeting with MDO. Just I think yesterday or day before, something like that. But as per my knowledge, it's already the ASHA already called off the strike, and like I said, there are some issue, but it's not with the government, but it is from their part.
MeghalayaPost.news.